Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Box grater. High-quality stainless steel. This box grater is constructed from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel. It allows for easy, mess-free grating of cheeses, vegetables, and more. It also features a stainless steel top handle for superior comfort. 4 different grating patterns. The grater features 3 grating surfaces and 1 slicing blade. Fine blade, medium, coarse blade, slicing blade. Includes storage container. A 3-cup container fits inside the box grater to catch the grated or sliced food, allowing for easy storage. Capacity markings on container. The container has capacity markings of 1/2 cup, 1 cup, 1.5 cup, and 2 cup, allowing for precise grating measurements for any recipe. Dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup. 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Waffle maker. Unique vertical design, engineered to heat evenly and give you consistent results. 5 shade settings. From soft and fluffy to deliciously crispy, get exactly the texture you want. 1-inch Belgian waffles. Roomy, non-stick interior makes for thick, fluffy waffles. Exclusive specialty setting. Allows for high-sugar batters like brownie and cake mix. Precision pour cup. Included cup makes it easy to measure and pour batter. Audible visual alerts. The waffle maker will beep when your waffle is done, no guesswork required. What's included? 1000-watt waffle maker, precision pour cup, chef-curated recipe guide. Roti maker. Cast iron tortilla maker. Our cast iron press is seasoned with non-GMO, kosher-certified flaxseed oil and made without PTFE, PFAS, or other forever chemicals. It has a smaller footprint than traditional wood or steel presses for easier storage. Durable manual tortilla maker. Our professional tortilla press was designed with the user in mind. It features a reinforced design with engineered flat plates that prevent pinching and an ergonomic handle for better resistance. Special care. This Pataconer features natural materials without synthetic coatings or paints. Our cookware requires special care and should never be air-dried or put in a dishwasher. Follow the included instructions for proper care and to avoid rust. Cooking torch. Classic. Safe sturdy cream brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use, with 3 butane adapters included. It's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Microwave food cover. High quality, this microwave cover for food made of PP plus TPR thermoplastic rubber material, combined with hard rubber material, safe BPA-free durable cover, suitable for microwave ovens and dishwashers. Easy to store, a foldable lid can pop up to 3 to cover tall dishes, piles of food, and shallow bowls. The lid can also be folded up to 0.75. The microwave splatter cover fully foldable when not in use for maximum flexibility, and newly designed hook holes for easy storage without taking up space, save you more space. Ventilation holes. Collapsible microwave food cover with holes allows the steam to escape quickly, which is a safer and more economical. Very convenient. With microwave splatter guard, you can ensure that your microwave oven stays clean, as the cover prevents your appliance from soiling food or even splashing or spilling. It can also be used as a plate serving cover. Salad spinner. Quick, convenient. Generous 5-quart capacity allows for larger batches of salad preparation. Wash and spin dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables effortlessly. User-friendly. The easy-to-use spin knob on the lettuce spinner allows for quick and efficient action. Conveniently add and drain water to the washing bowl without the need to remove the securely locking lid. Safety stability. Non-skid base keeps the spinner bowl stable and prevents any unwanted movement and mess when prepping salads. Versatile spinner bowl. The clear washing bowl doubles as a serving bowl when the strainer is removed, adding versatility to your kitchen tools. Generous lifetime warranty. Backed by a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and customer satisfaction. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Digital measuring spoon. High precision for accurate measurements. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with our digital measuring spoon, designed for meticulous cooks and pet owners. This advanced food measuring scoop scale precisely measures from 1 g up to 800 g, with a minimal margin of error of just 1 g. Ideal for ensuring consistent portioning of cooking ingredients or pet food. Versatile 5 measurement units. Our food measuring scoop scale transcends traditional scales by offering 5 different measurement units: grams G, milliliters ml, cups, fluid ounces, FLOs, and ounces Oz. Electric food warming mat. Must-have hosting essential. Transform your dining and hosting experience with the roller-up electric food warming mat. The ultimate solution for keeping your meals perfectly warm and ready to serve. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a large gathering, this sleek warming tray provides rapid full-surface heating in just 10 seconds. No more cold food at parties. Just consistently delicious dishes kept at the ideal temperature for every occasion. Space-saving, roll-up design. Unlike bulky kitchen gadgets, the roller-up warming mat is designed with modern living in mind. Its flexible, durable silicone material easily rolls up for compact storage, saving you precious counter space. Ideal for on-the-go warmth. Whether you're camping, RV traveling, or setting up a buffet, it's the perfect companion for keeping food warm no matter where life takes you. Garlic press. Heavy-duty construction. The heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design ensure you can easily mince unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger root quickly and with minimal effort. Simply press the handles and delicious paste will ooze out, leaving the peel inside. Professional-grade garlic press. Stainless steel, rust-proof garlic press can mince and crush garlic with restaurant quality and ease. This will be the best tool in your kitchen. Add color to your kitchen. This crusher is available with silver, black, red, or multicolored handles. The baskets were not painted to ensure that our garlic press is 100% safe to use when you're preparing food. Variety of uses. This garlic press perfectly minces garlic so your veggie, meat, sauce, or salad dressing will be so delicious your guests will think you had a professional chef. Egg slicer. FOD slicer egg slicer is very suitable for cutting hard-boiled eggs, strawberry, banana, mushroom, butter, cheese into neat slices. Just put the food into the slicer and push it down. You will get neat slices every time. Sharp stainless steel wire. The egg cutter wires is made of stainless steel and it is very sharp, which allows you to quickly slice eggs and soft food. Egg cutter wires are durable and can be used for several years. Ergonomic design egg slicer made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle. Ergonomic design makes it easier to use. You just need to lower the food in the card slot and then press it gently to get neat slices. Easy to clean. The base of the egg cutter uses a hollow design. Simply rinse with water to easily remove food scraps and get a brand new egg cutter. Can be safely used in the dishwasher.